Hey doers! The truth is, I couldn't have found a valuable user review of the book Real Estate Investing 101, which by the way, a few years ago aroused my curiosity in building real estate wealth. But I believe it is a must-have beginner's book, and in a while you will understand why. Meanwhile, I welcome you to my channel where I transform doers like you to the higher level through 7 wealth stages of life. After all, today's topic belongs to the wealth stage called Execute 7 Powerful Book Ideas. And I want you to pay attention to the word execute because it's not just reading and putting it off. Look, my mission is to bring purpose and clarity to your life and show you what is true wealth, because true wealth is holistic wealth. That's why I created 7 wealth stages. Now, in the first place, if you expect in-depth real estate investing course, don't watch this video, because this is about the real estate investing one-on-one book review with 7 strategies to start build your portfolio today. And I split it into 2 parts. Today's part 1 is focusing on residential rental properties, because true wealth is holistic wealth, part of which is definitely investing in physical residential real estate. But before we get started, this is your doer execution time to support this channel. So go now ahead and pat the subscribe button with the bell icon to get notified. Did you do it? Okay, great. I believe you. Because every week you will receive one proven strategy within the 7 wealth stages of life. With this purpose in mind, let's talk about the Real Estate Investing 101 book and 7 idea strategies to execute today. Book idea strategy number 7. Understand top 5 reasons to invest in real estate. The first thing to understand here is that property is illiquid. It means you can't immediately liquidate it into cash. But if you are a long-term investor and understand market cycles and the power of compound effect, it won't nag you because of the following top 5 reasons. Property is real. It's a brick, a wall, steel, plaster, roof, chimney. Yes, it is real. So you can touch it, smell it or feel it. And you have full control over it. B. Real estate diversifies your portfolio. Look, diversification is crucial investment strategy. For that reason, you may diversify across residential or commercial properties. Or if you don't want to own it, there are other categories. Of course, it is essential to go deeper into them. But the point here is you have limitless options to diversify your portfolio. C. Real estate offers inflation cushion. Listen, $1,000 today purchases more than it will 10 or 20 years from now. It means purchasing power decreases. So first, you have to protect your money. And second, let money work hard for you to cover the inflation rate and much more. D. Real estate brings steady return. It means a real estate asset is actionable, productive, that brings regular cash into your pocket every month, practically forever. And moreover, real estate appreciates over time. That said, if you hold it as long as possible, your net worth will grow. E. Real estate creates wealth. Look, it doesn't happen overnight, and it takes decades or generations to build wealth. So it's only up to you to decide whether you want to have, let's say, one property or build a legacy for generations in your life. Book idea strategy number 6. Master key ideal advantages that you won't get with any other classes. So what does it exactly mean when the book says real estate investing is ideal? It is an acronym that has circulated here for decades. and it explains several ways how you can accumulate and build wealth. These ways are income, depreciation, equity, appreciation, and leverage. As you can see, that's the reason why real estate investing is ideal. Because these 5 criteria will help you accelerate your wealth building strategy. Book idea strategy number 5. Always be aware of 4 factors that affect real estate investing. Every type of investment has its cycle. It could be bonds, commodities, gold, stocks, so do real estate. Usually, when you buy your home, you don't take attention to it. But when you are a property investor, you need to understand the following 4 factors. A. The economy, which is in every country, is rising and falling. The problem is that it isn't predictable. But if you study it, you will find out that each cycle has 4 stages: expansion, peak, contraction, and trough. The other 3 factors are B. Interest rates on a mortgage. C. Demographic data to make a wise decision on what type of property to buy. And D. Government actions that practically have an enormous impact on demand and supply, and ultimately on property values. And it leads me to the 4th idea strategy of the real estate investing one-on-one book. 4. Before you buy, do your homework on each deal with strong profit potential. The first question may be, what type of real estate do you want to invest in? Residential? Commercial? The first thing here must be remembered. As a real estate investor, you are in the game of making money. It means choosing the right property class is crucial for you. Therefore, you need to put together a game plan. You have to know your criteria, requirements, market, financing, price ceiling, strategy on what you intend to do with those properties, your risk tolerance, and exit strategy. Most importantly, how you calculate your return on your investments. For example, what is gross and net operating income, cash flow, and so on. It simply means you have to prepare your plan and do your homework thoroughly. Book idea strategy number 3. Put together a team to maximize your success. So in this step, it is the right time to take action and start executing. This was the first actionable step in how I got started. I began developing a long-term relationship to put together a core team that comprises real estate agent, lawyer, insurance agent, a mortgage broker for traditional financing, and connections to other financing methods such as private money or hard money lenders. And of course, property manager with a handyman on demand. You see, investing in real estate is a team business. You can't handle everything on your own. Book idea strategy number 2. Reliable tenants build your wealth. This is big, bigger than you may expect. I already stated in my previous videos the following fact, and I want to reiterate it. The most important thing is you have to take care of your reliable tenants, because tenants build your wealth. But I know what you may say. I don't want to deal with tenants and being a landlord. Listen, neither do I. For that reason, I built my dependable team to do the job. So as a professional property owner or real estate investor, you need to delegate. Remember, you are in this game to build wealth with a real estate portfolio. Your job is to control your net worth and delegate others. And lastly, book idea strategy number 1, learn to pay fewer taxes. Equally important is that your investment not just produces profits, but taxes will gobble up or slice it significantly if you don't have a proper tax education. For example, I try to understand more about property taxes on the market where I have my own portfolio, because there are several tax exemptions or special real estate tax rules to pay fewer taxes. So as a result, I add to my dependable team another key team member, which is a CPA or Certified Public Accountant with rental property experience. So I recommend doing your own research within the market where you invest and be fundamentally familiar with tax rules that will help you keep more money to reinvest. Because in every country there are many loopholes to take advantage of if you know where to search for the right of legitimate advice. To conclude this video, the best part of real estate is that it frees up your time, because when your portfolio is large enough, it covers your expenses. So if you've been obsessed as I was to find strategies for getting started in real estate, I highly recommend picking up a copy. And it means that the Real Estate Investing 101 book is excellent for beginners. Because real estate is a proven wealth generator to build true wealth. And ultimately, true wealth is holistic wealth. That's why I created the 7 stages of wealth. And as a reminder, gently pat the like button to give our video more exposure and love from the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe together with the bell notification, because every week you will receive a video within the 7 wealth stages of life. So keep your powder dry, because part 2 Real Estate Investing 101 book review will be about investing on the side and about new trends in real estate to build your wealth. Because I want you to become a doer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.